you can see, I am a dark skin.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Olay Brighten and Glow Vitamin C. I only recently just received this. As I was doing my morning routine, I was like, you know what, it would be nice to come on here, use this product, and then tell you guys about it, my honest opinion and everything.
First, I have cleansed my face. I have used my toner. I have used my serum, moisturize. Now this is the last step. I mean, honestly, I've used this just once, and I have done, yeah, I did a video on TikTok, and anyway, let's get straight into it. It comes in 50 ml worth of product inside, and the cost is £13. I'm going to use, okay, you know what, let's do the 2-finger method. Yes. Okay, I'm being a bit generous. This is being really generous. So it has a citrusy fragrance to it. There it is. Look, it looks like it's just a lot, but let us blend it in and, you know, see how it blends into the skin, and also see if it's black skin friendly, if it leaves a white cast and all that, cause I'm all for wearing SPF, but it has to be right, because as you can see, I am a dark-skinned lady, and sometimes it can be a struggle. So always remember to apply this on your ears, you know, on your neck, down your chest, like so. So let's keep blending and see how well this blends into the skin. You might be wondering, oh, I took quite a lot, but yeah, you know, the more the merrier. Gets good protection. So can you guys see how it is melting into the skin? Can you just check that out? And can you see how I look like glazed donuts, how dewy I look? So this is what it looks like now that I have fully blended it into my skin. And mind you, I have other skincare products under, so you can see that it does not peel. You know, it's not that kind of product that when you pair with some other products it peels. No, it does not. What I have on it, like I said, I've cleansed my face, I toned it, I used the azelaic acid from Face Theory. Then I used the La Roche-Posay matte, that's for oily skin, and now I've used this. So this is what my skin looks like. It does leave your skin very dewy. It has a slight citrusy fragrance to it, which I really don't mind. And you guys, I don't need to talk about it not leaving white cast. Can you see how dewy it's left my skin? Honestly, love this sunscreen. This is now one of my favorite SPF. Like the first time I used it, I didn't know what to expect, but I would say this has blown me away. Here's a tip: on the days that the weather is really hot and you cannot afford to layer on a lot of products, you can just use this without using your moisturizer either. So when I go on vacation, definitely going to pack this with me, and I'm going to be using this without a moisturizer because it's equally moisturizing. It is infused with vitamin C, niacinamide, and of course it's hydrating as well. This is perfect for everyday wear. It has an invisible finish. There's no white cast on my face. It pairs well with makeup. So we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you have any questions, suggestions, thoughts, let me know in the comment section below. With all that being said, I will catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.